What if I told you there's a secret hideaway in Port Antonio where you can wake up to authentic Jamaican breakfast, fall asleep peacefully, and never worry about finding a parking spot? Tim Bamboo Hotel delivers on all of this. Let's talk location. Port Antonio is basically Jamaica's best kept secret. While everyone's fighting for beach chairs in Montego Bay, you're living it up in one of the most naturally gorgeous parts of the island. Tim Bamboo sits right in the heart of it all, close to banks, local food spots, and tourist attractions. The rooms, modern, comfortable, and actually make you want to hang out instead of just crashing for the night. Clean linens, comfy beds, and all the amenities that make you feel at home. Here's where it gets really good. The food situation is handled. They offer breakfast and dinner packages that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance, where you can wake up to a proper Jamaican breakfast, like curry chicken, fresh fruit, multiple tea options, and real Jamaican coffee. After exploring all day, come back to dinner that's already sorted. No stress, no rushing around, just pure relaxation. They also have free parking. I know it doesn't sound exciting, but when you're exploring Port Antonio, you don't want to worry about parking. Tim Bamboo isn't trying to be everything to everyone. This is Port Antonio's hidden treasure for genuine relaxation. They've created this bubble of calm where everything flows. Want to explore the famous Blue Lagoon? They'll point you there. Craving authentic jerk chicken? They've got you covered. So if you're ready to discover what real Jamaican hospitality feels like, Tim Bamboo needs to be on your list.